In this video today, we're going to talk about how do you make money with AI from TikTok. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Like and share so more people can see this video. All right, so here's the agenda for today's class. We're going to look at what's the business model, how do you actually do it, and then I'll show you some examples. Also, what are different RPMs? Because TikTok, you're going to make money by posting content. So what's the RPM? And then what's the AI tool or tools that I recommend you use to be able to create this side hustle or business model for you, and stay till the end because I'm going to show you step-by-step process the way you can do it in seconds. All right, so let's look at this. The business model is, I'm going to show you a couple of examples. Here's a TikTok account and they're posting short clips. These are actually from like longer podcasts. So the business model is called clipping, which means you clip videos from longer YouTube videos or podcasts and then repost them or post them on TikTok. And you can see some of these are getting a lot of views. Here is another example. Ooh, 17.7 million. 22.4 million. Awesome. And by the way, the tool that I'm gonna show you later on, it's gonna make your videos super engaging. Here you go. Here's another one. So the business model, the way you do it is called clipping. And by the way, another thing you can do is go to your TikTok search and search for podcast clips. And you can find, for example, one of the podcasts that I listen to is called MFM. Here you're going to see a lot of accounts that are clipping. So DOAC clips. Look at this. It looks like this is clipping account, which is clipping videos from different podcasts or longer YouTube videos. So that's the business model. And obviously, one thing I would recommend is you can always reach out to the videos that you're using to clip, reach out to them, get their permission. And most times people are more than happy because you are actually doing marketing for them because it's their face. All right, that's the business model. And we looked at some of the examples too. Okay, how do you actually make money RPM? So the program is called Creator Rewards Program on TikTok. And here there's some eligibility criteria. You need to be certain age, 10,000 followers, which is really easy to get on TikTok. And then some other video requirement. Your video needs to be longer than 5 seconds. So you can look at this TikTok Creator Rewards Program. That's the program that you get into to be able to make this money. Another thing I want to show you inside examples, look at this. So here is a couple of, actually this was my account, $1,000 from 30 days. Here's another one for $4,500 in another day, in another month. So you can see you can make thousands of dollars using this business model by posting clips on your TikTok account. All right, one other thing I want to show you in the RPMs. If you look at the Creator Rewards Program revenue, you can make up to 50 cents per 1,000 views, which means for every 1 million view video, you could make $500 to $1,000, which is really good because on YouTube, on TikTok, it's like 50 cents. On YouTube, this is like 5 cents. So it's a huge difference between two platforms. All right, let's jump into the final round or final step, not the round. I have games in my mind. Step-by-step process and what's the AI tool we're going to use. So we talked about the business model. You saw some examples. You saw the accounts. You saw the income examples. We looked at their RPMs. It's totally worth it. Now I'm going to show you the step-by-step process. So step-by-step process is you're going to use a tool. I'll make sure I'll link below. It's called Sample, and yes, I'm an affiliate for this tool, but it is amazing. You can convert long videos into engaging shorts, and actually it makes your short clips. There are a lot of tools to create clips, but there's something really special about this tool. I'll show you in a second. So yeah, the link will be below. You can check it out. But yeah, go ahead and create an account. Go to Sample. The link is below. create an account. And now here's the process. What you want to do is go to YouTube, um, and then find the videos in your niche. So for example, for me, business, success, motivation, that's my niche, but maybe you're in sports. So find viral videos on YouTube and then copy the URL of that video. So I'm going to click share and then copy the URL. So this is a Mr. Beast became successful on YouTube. This is perfect for my niche, my audience, but you can find whatever, let's say sports, you can search for that and then find the trending videos. Ooh, look at the 17 million views. And maybe you want to find the recent video. So go on this, filters, and upload date, and that way you can find the latest video. Here's a 1.3 million. So find a viral video in your niche. And now we're gonna go back to Sample, the tool, and in the dashboard, just copy paste the URL of the video. And you'll see why this is actually, let me go back. I want to show you. This works really well. Let me go back to the dashboard because there's some, to use this tool, it works really well with the video podcasts, educational videos, commentaries, product reviews, motivational speeches. And it doesn't really work if you have music videos, gaming, live videos with noise, video with without face, like faceless videos. So if you want to use faceless videos from YouTube, that it's not going to work that well. But here are all the use cases, or all the type of videos. So talking videos, those are the videos that this tool works really well for. All right, let's go back, put the YouTube URL here, and then you'll notice it detected the language. Here's the video, and then you want to pay attention to some of the settings here. What's the preferred length? You can pick a length of, you want to clips less than 30 seconds, 30 to 60 seconds, so you can do that. And also what type of templates you want. It has templates of all the Hormozi style, Ali Abdaal style. Here's a simple one. Here's a Hormozi style, Iman Ghazi. So all the popular styles of captioning, it has those. So you can pick whichever one you like. So let's say I want this. Now, there are a couple of advanced options here. You can go through these. These are awesome. Meme hooks, what this means is if you select this, it's going to add a video meme in the first few seconds to make your video more engaging. That's awesome. Game video, what this means is it's going to add, you might have seen these videos. This is what makes this tool unique. This is why your clips will stand out from other clips on TikTok or other platforms. It's gonna put a game, look at the Mr. Beat's face, and at the bottom, it's gonna put the gaming clip or gaming video. So I'm gonna select this. You can also add hooks, call to actions, background music. So there are a bunch of different options here. And then when you're ready, click on Get Shorts. By the way, I've already created shorts for this, so let me go back to the dashboard. When you do it, it takes few minutes. It's super fast. Let me show you what type of what the final clips will look like. So the video was about, I think, 20 minutes. Let's see. Yeah, it was about 20 minutes. But from that 20-minute video, I got how many clips? Like 9 clips. I can post these daily on my TikTok account. And then if I play this, I'm gonna mute this. You'll see here is the clip, and then there is a gaming video playing underneath that. That's what engages the viewers, the users on TikTok, and increases your views, your watch time, and engagement. Also, it gives you score. Here's the title and the description. Here's the second video, Secret Life, the title and everything.
Some teacher read out a book. So what I did was I would act like I was going to community college, but
amazing. And this is the one where it's using, I believe a meme clip in the beginning. Let me play this.
and we basically
So you see how the first 3-4 second was a video meme viral clip, and then it cuts into your video. So this is something really cool about, here's another one about Sample, because you're able to add gaming videos at the bottom, and also you're able to add the meme clips, viral clips to your videos. All right, if you want to edit anything, you totally can. You're going to click on edit, and then you can review. Let me make sure here, click on edit again. You can see if you want to change the style of your captions, go for it. Colors, uh, captions, you can change the hook. You can, if you didn't have the meme hook before, you can add it here. So you can customize the clips you create. You can customize those easily. So let me go back. So Sample is the tool you're gonna use to create viral clips from trending and viral videos on YouTube that are longer, and then post them on TikTok, and then start making money by this TikTok rewards program. It used to be called Creativity Beta Program, and here you go, some of that income you can see. So really, really simple, 5-6 steps, simple business model. You can do, all you need is just this right here or your laptop. You don't have to go anywhere. You don't have to apply for jobs. Go create that business. Any questions, let me know. Before you go, like and share. um, if you have any questions in the comments, put those in the comments, and I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.